Welcome to Mini Docs for Kids, where curiosity leads the way.
Have you ever seen a rainbow in the sky? It looks colorful and magical. You can see red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and purple, but rainbows do not come from magic. So, how do rainbows form? Hi, friends, I'm Lily. I love asking why and how things work. Rainbows are one of my favorite science surprises. Let's explore how all those colors appear in the sky. Today, you will learn what light is. You will learn how rain and sunlight work together, and you will discover why rainbows have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and purple. Rainbows need sunlight. Sunlight looks white to our eyes. But white light is made of many colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and purple are hidden inside it. Light travels in straight lines, but light can bend. Bending means changing direction. This bending happens when light enters water. Rain is made of tiny water drops. Each drop acts like a tiny glass ball. Glass can bend light too, so raindrops bend sunlight in the sky. Now let's look at another important idea. When sunlight bends inside a raindrop, the colors spread out. Red bends the least, so it appears first. Purple bends the most, so it appears last. Orange, yellow, green, blue, and indigo bend in between. Each color bends a little differently. That is why the colors line up in order. This order always stays the same. Think of a prism. A prism is clear glass. It splits light into the same colors. Raindrops act just like tiny prisms. There's one more important thing to discover. You see rainbows only in certain places. The sun must be behind you. Rain must be in front of you. That angle lets the colors reach your eyes. That is why rainbows appear after rain. They show up when sunlight returns. They do not stay long, but their colors always follow the same rules. Imagine millions of tiny raindrops, each one making red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and purple. Together, they form one big rainbow that fills the sky with color. Now let's stop for a moment and remember what we just learned. Rainbows need sunlight. Raindrops bend and split the light. Each color bends a different amount. That is why rainbows have their colors. Keep looking up and asking why. Science is full of beautiful surprises. Let's keep exploring together.